It feels so good to be back! Another day, another iOS rant about how terrible this platform is. Check this out. So I wanted to give the most basic use case possible a try, and so I created this thing called a playground, which is supposed to be you build code in abstraction, and I picked the default, which is iOS blank, thinking, hey, let's go ahead and build out a very simple UI. Let's not worry about the complexities, let's just do the simplest thing possible. And the 2-line playground default example project that they give you doesn't work. It's got an import error and with not auto fixes. Their default, the most basic example they can give you of how to use iOS doesn't even work. How on earth are developers supposed to succeed in a world like that? Gotta go to work, Bo. Have fun at work.
Get some money!
Good luck with that CSS. I feel like this is a really dumb thing to love about coming home, but one of my favorite parts about coming home is getting to drive my Tesla. So I just dropped my phone off at the phone repair place, and I just realized I can't get into my car without my phone. Well, this is exciting. I got another software update. It's really funny how hard it is to get by without your phone. After I dropped my phone off to be repaired, I noticed that I couldn't get into my car. I couldn't pick up Starbucks. The repair on my phone is just finished, so I'm gonna go pick it up and take a look. So the big thing that's happening in the office today is that we are switching buildings. So this is the last day for our team in this building. I'm kind of sad about that. I've been in this building since I joined Google.
Go.
Whoa, Holly Preserve. It's actually look at that.
2. So, I won this game against Jeremy, but because he's won a game against me previously, we have to play a final game to rule them all. Thank you so much for everything, building. You've been great. I'll see you tomorrow for the meetup, and then I'm gone. Wow, more massive zucchinis. These things are huge. How are we gonna eat all that? Stephanie and I are having a robust conversation about sunk costs when it comes to house values.